Hello everyone, I'm Rozana Halpin, Director of Learning and Development at KCOM Academy. In my work with organizations, I often see the same challenge. Training budgets are spent, but the real capability gaps remain. Why? Because many times training is planned for symptoms rather than actual needs. And that's why we're bringing you Training Needs Analysis, a strategic approach to building workforce capability happening on the 12th and 13th of November at the Radisson Hotel, Brunei. In this two-day program, we'll explore together how to uncover true skills gap with practical diagnostic tools, how to design training that supports both employee growth and business strategy, and how to measure ROI so training becomes a powerful investment, not just another expense. Here's an interesting fact. Organizations that use TNA are twice as likely to report positive ROI on training. That's the difference when you align training with strategy. And here's something you can look forward to. We'll provide hands-on templates and toolkits you can take back to your organizations immediately. These resources will save time, reduce costs, and ensure training delivers real results. So, if you are an HR professional, manager, or leader ready to take training more impactful in 2026, I would love to see you at this program in November.